Want to travel the world but have no time to plan a perfect, budget-friendly trip? Let me tell you an easy way to explore it with TripWise Travel Itinerary eBook guides. Each guide gives you a day-by-day plan built from real travelers, not AI, so you can travel confidently without missing a thing. With one tap on Google Maps, you'll seamlessly navigate to attractions, restaurants, photo spots, and even the most popular cafes or gelato stands. Every guide includes insider tips on what to book in advance, how to get around, where to stay, and where to eat, all tested by real travelers. Filled with stunning real photos, you'll move effortlessly from one spot to the next and know exactly what to do each day. No stress, no wasted hours, just effortless, unforgettable travel. TripWise, because real travel deserves real experience. Download your ebook guide today at mytripwise.com. Limited time offer, only $27 instead of $47. Your next adventure starts now.